Expert Electrical specialise in the design, installation and maintenance of off-grid and remote solar systems. For many people, the freedom that comes from generating their own sustainable off-grid power is liberating. At Expert Electrical, we have helped hundreds of people unplug from the electricity grid using an off-grid solar system. This delivers reliable, consistent power for your remote property.
Some of the most beautiful locations in Australia are not connected to the main power grid, but we can help you enjoy all the comforts of home by creating your own sustainable green energy from the sun. Choosing a solar energy company to design and build your independent solar power system can be difficult. At Expert Electrical, we have the experience and the expertise to provide you with the best advice on how to create an off-grid power system anywhere in Queensland or northern New South Wales. So what should you look for when choosing a business to design and build your own off-grid solar system?
We have identified 3 reasons why customers typically choose Expert Electrical.
First, we have a proven track record. We have been designing, installing and maintaining off-grid solar systems for over 15 years, and we understand how to create robust off-grid power generation that doesn't always rely on diesel generators.
Every off-grid system is unique, and every customer has different energy needs. Getting the right balance between the ideal size and cost of your system is essential. Otherwise, you could pay too much or end up with a system that's insufficient for your needs. The second reason to choose Expert Electrical is the fact that we only use the most reliable, dependable, quality solar panels, inverters and batteries. When you invest in your own off-grid solar system, you become the power station, and it is essential that your system gives you many years of constant, reliable electricity without interruption. In fact, many of our off-grid remote and rural customers have more reliable power than the electricity grid. That's because the system design and components are not cheap imports. They are proven products which integrate with each other and have reliable long-term warranties.
The third reason why customers choose us is because we are always there if they need us. As a customer of Expert Electrical, we become your energy partner and are available 24/7 to help you when you really need us. We are quite unique in the solar industry because we have a dedicated service department who provide customer support, maintenance and advice, all of which are essential when you have an off-grid solar system. If you choose to follow your dream and live independently from the electricity grid, Expert Electrical are the solar energy company that will not only design and install the best solar system to meet your individual needs, we will remain your off-grid energy partners and be there when you need us the most.
If you are looking for an off-grid solar system for your property, please give us a call. We look forward to working with you.